Ahoy and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today it's not a Nerf mod, but a BuzzBee mod. I bought two of these. It's, as far as I know, the only true shotgun where you can just put in darts from the rear and stack it in there, 6 of them, and then prime it with a handle and fire away. So I really like this one. What I really hate about this gun is the grip. So I took this grip and turned it into something like this. Like I said, cut along the line, inserted some plastic, glued in some more plastic, covered it with some metal to make it like shotgun. It just took a while now to capture this in one frame. So there it is. Voltage display on the side, lights on top for the Borderlands look. Looks really cool. But asymmetrical, I like that on Nerf blasters. Writing, had to give it a name. And the stock, it will give in a bit when you put it on your shoulder. Feels very comfy. Close up on the lights. This one is pretty colorful, like blue voltmeter, green LED for the on status, which is actually not needed because we have lots of orange LEDs on top. They indicate on status pretty well. Let me know what you think. Is it too much light or just right? Don't you like LEDs at all? Oh yeah, and there's another light in the grip. Totally forgot about this one. I'm a bit of a fanatic when it comes to light. Makes the details pop out of it. The rail still works, just like the front rail. You could technically put on some iron sights. They are totally in line. Just to make sure it's not just a good looking deco element. The barrel is still down there. I just gave it this chin section because I love it. With a brass inlay here. And a bit of a wider open barrel. Another tiny piece of aluminum up there to fill the gap. The first color for this, by the way, was sand beige, like typical tank color, military sand beige. Let me know, what do you think? This fancy look, pink, purple, plus some dark gray, or the sand beige version? Which do you like better? Was it a mistake to repaint it? Because I think this color really pops. I love it, especially for nerves. Can't go too crazy. Space cowboy gauss rifle. Imagine a space sheriff carrying this. I mean, come that on. Too soon, Dart. Too soon. You're gonna have a serious conversation, and you won't like it. And now let's find. So let's see. Yeah, of course. And one more time. Damn it, what's wrong with the last shot? The last shot always, no, whatever. Still fires, great mod. I'm happy. That's it for today, guys, but before I forget to mention, I made a Facebook site for all my Nerf mods, since they're so high quality. At least that's what other Nerf modders and Nerfers say. Facebook Legendary Nerf Mods. The logo looks like this. Subscribe to me there if you like. I post pictures of everything I make and gonna make, and even some tutorials, Nerf related stuff. But also on my Laser Gadgets Facebook site. So if you wanna sub me there and get all the lasers and jewelry and whatever I make, that's the place to go. Up next, more Nerf stuff. Worker likes my mods, so they're gonna send me a bunch of stuff. hopefully a bunch of stuff. So this is going to be one of the next projects here, and also a laser saber. Yeah, exactly. For the long timers, I said I never make a laser saber because it's lame. Beam going on, and some fakers call it laser saber. Show a pointer. I'm not a fan of that, but I came up with a pretty nice design. It's actually just laying down here, but you can't see it. It's in pieces, ready for paint. Also, like I said, I got another Nerf mod, Raven. Worker stuff coming in. Stay tuned. Make sure you don't miss it, and I see you guys next time.